Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. So join us as we delve into the early life and style of Princess Catherine, formerly Cat Middleton. From her childhood to her university days, we will take a closer look at the experience that shaped her into the beloved role she is today. In this video, we will cover her early life and a family background, including her parents and siblings, her education from prep school to university and her academic achievements, her career before becoming a royal including her work in fashion and photography, her fashion evolution from casual student style to royal icon, including her favorite designers and fashion movements, her stunning jewelry collection including her engagement ring, tiara and other precious pieces, her signature hairstyle and beauty looks, including her iconic wedding dresses, her favorite shoes and handbags from designer's heels to partial flats, her philanthropic work and charitable cases, including her support for mental health and children's welfare. We will also examine how cat style has influenced the royal family and the fashion industry as a whole, and how she's become a role model for women around the world. So get ready for a journey through the life and lifestyle of one of the most iconic women in the world. From her humble beginnings to her current status as a royal fashion icon, Princess Catherine's story is one of you won't want to miss. We will explore how cat style has evolved over the years, from her early days as a university student to her current status as a royal icon, from her iconic wedding dresses to her stunning coronation gown. We will also examine the fashion choices that have made her a household name. We will also delve into her favorite fashion trends from classic coats to stylish sneakers, and we will take a closer look at her accessories from her elegant hats to her stunning jewelry collection. Cat's beauty looks have also made her a style icon, and we will explore her favorite hairstyle, makeup looks and skincare routine. We will also examine how cat style has influenced the royal family, from her husband Princess William to her children Princess George, Princess Cartole and Princess Louise. Cat's philanthropic work has also made her beloved figure, and we will explore her charitable cases and how she uses her platform to make a difference. From her support for mental health awareness to work with children's charities, Cat's dedication to helping others is truly inspiring. We will also take a closer look at her personality, from her sense of humor to her kindness and compassion. Overall, in this video, we will provide a comprehensive look at the life and style of Princess Catherine, a true icon of our time. We will also explore Cat's early life, from her childhood to her university days, and how it shaped her into the person she is today. Her relationship with Prince William is a fascinating story, and we will take a closer look at how they met, their engagement and their wedding. As a member of the royal family, Kate has undertaken numerous royal duties. We will examine her most notable engagements and appearances. From state banquets to charity events, Kate's fashion choices are always highly anticipated, and we will analyze her most iconic outfits. Her love of photography is well known, and we will showcase some of her most impressive work behind the lens. As a mother of three, Kate's approach to pretending is of one of great interest, and we will explore her pretending style and how she balances work and family life. Her support for mental health awareness has been widely praised, and we will delve into her work in this important area. From her favorite food to her exercise routine, we will take a closer look at Cat's healthy lifestyle choice. Her relationship with her siblings and parents are close and loving, and we will explore how they have supported her throughout her life. As a fashion icon, Kate's influence on the industry is significant, and we will examine how she has inspired designers and fans alike. Her philanthropic work has made a real difference in the lives of many, and we will highlight some of her most notable charitable advice. From her love of art to her passion for music, we will explore Kate's culture, interest, and how they enrich her life. As a member of royal family, Kate has undertaken numerous overseas tours. We will showcase some of her most memorable moments abroad. Her ability to connect with people from all walks of life is a remarkable gift, and we will analyze how she uses his skill to make a positive impact. From her signature hairstyle to her favorite beauty products, we will take a closer look at Kate's beauty routine. Her dedication to her family is inspiring, and we will explore how she prioritizes her loved ones in her busy life. As a role model of young women everywhere, Kate's influence extends far beyond the fashion world, and we will examine how she uses her platform to inspire and empower others. Her grace and poise in the face of adversity are qualities that have earned her widespread admiration, and we will explore how she handles challenging situations with dignity and grace. From her love of nature to her passion for sport, we will showcase some of Kate's lesser-known interests and hobbies. As a true icon of our time, Kate's legacy is already cemented, and we will explore how she will be remembered for a generation to come. Overall, in this video, we will provide a comprehensive and intimate look at the life and style of Princess Catherine, a true royal icon. Thanks for watching this video about Princess Catherine. If you enjoy it, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. I uploaded new videos regularly, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date. My channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest and greatest content about the royal family fashion and beauty. By subscribing, you will get to access to exclusive videos, behind the scenes footage and more. I love engaging with my audience, so be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you thought of this video. Your support means the world to me, and I am grateful for every subscribers and viewers. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now and join the community. I am passionate about creating high quality content, and your subscription helps me to continue doing what I love. Thanks again for watching, and I will be see you in the next videos. My dear subscribers, by subscribing you will be supporting the creation for more videos like this one and helping me to continue sharing my passion with you. Your subscription is completely free and you can unsubscribe at any time. But I hope you will stick around because I have so much more content planned for you. From in-depth analysis to fun and light-hearted videos, I want to bring you the best content possible, and with your support I can make that happen. So please take a moment to subscribe and join the community. I cannot wait to share more videos with you and to hear your thoughts and feedbacks. Your support means everything to me, and I am so grateful for your viewership. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in the next videos. And I am consistently striving to improve my content and bringing you the best videos possible. Your subscriptions helps me to do just that, so thank you for your support. I love engaging with my audience, so be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think. Your feedback is invaluable to me and helps to me to create content that you will love. I am passionate about sharing my knowledge and expertise with you, and I am always looking for new ways to do so. By subscribing, you will get access to exclusive content, behind the scenes footage and more. I am dedicated to bringing you the latest and greatest content, so be sure to subscribe and stay up to date. Your support means the world to me, and I am so grateful for your subscribers and viewers. I am always looking for new ways to improve and expand my content, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for what's next. I love connecting with you, my audience, so be sure to follow me on social media and join the conversation. Your subscription is a virtual part of helping me to continue creating content for you. I am so grateful for your support, and I cannot wait to share more videos with you. Subscribe now and join the community. I am passionate about creating content that inspires, educates, and entertains, and I am always looking for new ways to do so. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for what next. Your feedback and suggestions are always welcome, so be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think. I am dedicated to bringing you the best content possible, and your subscription helps me to do just that. So thank you for your support, and I will see you in the next videos. Thank you very much for watching my video. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. Thank you very much, and I am request all of you, please share this video with your family and friends. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. Take care.